Go to applications here. Always want to make sure your collect app usage data is off, so you're not being watched, traced, as you know. It's just I like that being off. It just kind of makes me want to have it off. So Kodi 17.3 is the newest one out. Okay, and then you just select that right there. So to go back through right here, just to give you another idea, because I've had a lot of customers, you know, well, not complain. I've only had about 2, but out of a few hundred. So it's just, I mean, I've had a lot of people that have asked, you know, how to go to and how to find Kodi. So if you've already found Kodi and you went into settings and you went into your applications and you go down to your manage installed applications, Kodi is right there, okay? And if it isn't there, contact me and I'll try to help you, you know, out and help you get it there. Just PM, leave it a comment in the box, or subscribe, message me, social media links, this, that, and the other. So, okay, and another thing, if you had already been through Kodi, I'm going to show you how to fix, you know, problems if you have problems or if they persist through your Kodi and you already had Kodi. Okay, so let's say that I was having a problem right now with my Kodi and the cache, you know, it was full or whatever. So this is what you do: you scroll right down here in that same section as to where we were going to launch Kodi, and you clear the cache. Boom, now that just dropped right there on the bottom right of your screen. I don't know if you can see that okay with both camera angles. I'm hoping one of them got it alright, but it cleared the cache. It went dropped down to 12 kilobytes, okay? Right here, you never want to click clear data. Just don't ever even look at it. Uninstall, you don't want to uninstall it unless you know what you're doing and you're installing another builder or something else that you would like, or if you just don't want it on there anymore, that's when you'd uninstall. Force stop, this is definitely popular. I usually force stop and clear cache at the same time, anytime it's having any difficulties whatsoever. And here, so we're just going to go to launch application right now. I'm just going to go in here and show you guys how to find a few things on Kodi. Maybe cropping one of these videos, I'm not sure yet. Giving you guys a little bit of the insights here. I was trying to think about whether or not I wanted to break it down into segments on one and, you know, maybe not on the other. Give you guys a little bit of suspense, but who knows? Depends on how many of these videos you guys like to view. You guys end up liking what you see, and you guys will be able to subscribe, and I will definitely show you as many videos or whatever content you guys would like to see. And it seems so this is going to be the Prodigy build. That is 17.1. So we have Kodi 17.3 on here, Krypton, but this is actually a 17.1 Krypton build. Okay, so that basically means a build. I'm not going to get into details on these things. If you guys have any questions about what certain words are or tech terms, just PM me or leave a comment on one of the videos. Okay, so. But long story short, a build it should be your user, your interface is set up basically. So how your build is set up. So how you see all of this design right here, all of this is how you're built. That's your Prodigy build. Okay, so if you get that, salt auto migration, just click yes or no. I mean, if you click no, it's not going to do it, it's not going to migrate over, but then it might bug you, so just click yes. Go right there. So what we have on this build currently, it's going to be, so if I were to select, if I just wanted to watch a movie alone, I would select this movies category right here. So it's gonna show busy, boom, and what this actually, this movies portion is actually linked up. It's actually linked up to, I'm sorry about that, that camera was out. That's why it's a bit difficult rating a couple different things. I need to do one thing great, but we'll go with that one then. I can capture. Majority right there. One of the feeds are down. Alright, well, I don't want to leave this awesome crew waiting, so what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and click it there. Okay, now I believe we are rolling on all feeds again. Both feeds are up and going smooth. Alright, awesome. Sorry about that. Okay, so in this is a link that is tied into Exodus TV add-on, okay? That is what you are really getting when you click on this movies icon right here, okay? So, staying in the movies category, I'm actually going to show you, you push the bottom directional pad right there on your remote, okay? And now it's going to bring you down to Exodus, which is a movie add-on, okay? This is what is declared an add-on, so it's basically a media player that streams what your media content is that you desire and seek, okay? These are all the same thing within the category, okay? You can look up different preferences if you want to see which one's the most reliable, or you can subscribe to me or a PM or comment in the box, and I will definitely tell you what I recommend in full. So right there, man, I'm losing it again. When I get another tripod, these things are not staying right with the mic. So right here, Zen, I recommend, okay, I recommend Exodus #1 overall. I believe it's top 2, but right now it's #1 still. I believe it's in overall add-ons, most reliable. I want to say One Channel is the second one, and then I believe Phoenix isn't on here for this category, but it's on here with everything else. I believe that is up there as well with 3. Salts might be. Well, Specto might be 4 or 5, within the top one. So the top add-ons are on here. So you definitely have the most reliable streaming sources out there by far with these Firesticks. So and this Kodi. Alright, so if I were to click up on the directional pad though, now we have thumbnails and now we have other movie selections that you can, skim through. And it'll pop up fan art in the background. Right here, I mean, this build is awesome. So and you could just go straight through if you wanted now to find a movie, or just to watch a trailer, this, that, and the other. You can actually hold the middle button on the remote. So, okay, if we wanted to go to, this is what most of you are going to do when you first find the movie that you like. Watch. I'm going to show you. You're going to click the center button, the select button on the movie, because this is natural. This is what I did, and this is, I mean, I still do it from time to time if I know which source I would like to use in order to play the movie. So it's going to come up with a list of options and sources, which are basically links tied into websites and things of that nature, I believe. And what that means is you're going to get different quality. High definition is what that means up at the top. You'll see that's HD on this side, so you'll see some that may say CAM, which may be camera recorded as soon as they first come out, depending on how new they are or whatever. I start from the top and work my way down unless I know which sources, you know, I like and that have been most reliable and consistent. So if I were to do that with this movie, let's see, if I were to click the top one here by selecting it with the center button on your remote again, you see, so it actually skimmed down to the second source when I did that, but it worked by just clicking it. So